Transferwise Review. Wise Review. The money transfer service Wise, formerly Transferwise, offers a cheap way to send money from about 80 countries. The exchange rates are some of the best you'll find. You can fund a transfer in various ways, such as with a bank account or credit card, but recipients need to have a bank account. The Wise website is straightforward. The homepage has a cost calculator that makes it easy to see fees and rates, and FAQs are well organized and helpful. Rates for transfers are guaranteed once you finish setting up a transfer, and you can cancel transfers that haven't been converted or paid yet. Users rate Wise's iOS and Android mobile apps above 4 out of 5 stars. It is best for people who want low costs and a solid web experience when sending money internationally. Pros are: 1. Delivery within minutes. Quick delivery is possible. 2. Low fees. The fixed cost is around $1 and a percentage slightly less than 1% of the transfer amount. 3. Wise doesn't charge an exchange rate markup on its transfers. Cons are: 1. Slower bank transfer delivery times than other providers. 2. Phone support is limited to regular business hours. Overall, lower fees, better rates. Must try once. If you want to try it, then I have one gift for you. Go to link in description and you can make your first transfer for absolutely free. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe.